Indian stock markets witnessed a sharp and concerning downturn on Monday, with both the Sensex and Nifty plunging over 5%. So what are the reasons behind this dramatic slide, being dubbed by some experts as a Black Monday on Dalal Street? The primary shock came from the US, where President Trump announced sweeping new tariffs targeting several countries, including India, sparking fears of a global trade fallout.
But the reason being that on Friday, China announced the retaliatory measure to the tariff war, which is ongoing, that they will also impose some the equal amount of duty to US import. And that was the trigger for market to take a tumble, and the investors world over feel that in the event of tariff war, nobody wins. And it will slow down the global economy, it will slow down regional economy, it will have inflationary pressure, consumption will slump, and if the largest economy, they go through problems, the ripple effect will be felt world over. That's the reason that currently what we are witnessing is that it's because of the tariff or trade war.
The reciprocal tariffs, ranging from 10 to a hefty 50%, have ignited immediate fears of a full-blown global trade war. Tensions have further escalated, with China imposing 34% retaliatory tariffs on the US, intensifying concerns across global markets. Adding to the uncertainty, anticipated countermeasures from the European Union and Canada have only deepened fears of a prolonged and damaging trade conflict. The escalating trade conflict is causing a major shift in investor sentiment, with fears of a looming global recession now overshadowing earlier concerns about inflation.
देखिए, एज एन इकोनॉमिस्ट मेरा ये मानना है कि डोनाल्ड ट्रंप साहब ने जो टैरिफ्स लगाए हैं, रेसिप्रोकल टैरिफ, उसकी वजह से ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी में हड़कंप मचा हुआ है। टैरिफ वॉर अब लॉन्च हो गई है क्योंकि चाइना ने रिटेलिएटरी टैरिफ लगा दिए हैं। यूरोप की तरफ से उम्मीद है कि वो भी रिटेलिएटरी टैरिफ लगाएंगे, तो इससे क्या होगा, टैरिफ वॉर छिड़ जाएगी। और टैरिफ वॉर आज ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी के लिए घातक है, क्योंकि ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी पहले से ही तकलीफ का, दिक्कत का शिकार है। तो ऐसे में ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी के लिए प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत बढ़ने की संभावना है। साथ ही साथ ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी जो अभी स्लो डाउन का शिकार थी, वो अब रिसेशन में जाने की क्लियर कट संभावना है। जाहिर सी बात है, जब ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी रिसेशन में जाने की बात होगी, टैरिफ वॉर लॉन्च होगी, तो मार्केट्स पे उसका नेगेटिव असर आएगा।
Global commodity prices are also taking a sharp dive, with significant drops in Brent crude, gold and silver, all pointing to weakening demand in a potentially slowing global economy. Adding to domestic pressure, continued FII outflows are further fueling uncertainty in the Indian markets. Experts are advising a cautious wait-and-watch approach, as the near-term direction of the markets will largely hinge on President Trump's next move.
This will impact the world supply chains. This is going to erode the world capital markets. This might also cause recession across the world. So it's high time that President Trump will have to rethink his whole strategy. How is this going to help the world, international trade and business? So the investors should not panic. I'm sure there will be a turnaround in some time when the markets bottom out. Also, there would be short covering by the investors.
For now, experts say investors should prepare for more turbulent trading sessions ahead, as fears of a global trade war and a looming recession continue to rattle markets worldwide.